In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a campaign in Brevo. Duplicating a campaign is a great way to save time, especially if you regularly send newsletters or promotional emails that follow a similar structure. Instead of rebuilding everything from scratch, you can quickly copy an existing campaign, make a few small edits, and send it out to a new audience or on a new date. Let's walk through how to do this step by step. First, log into your Brevo account using your usual credentials. Once you're in, turn your attention to the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. Here, look for the section labeled Marketing. Go ahead and click on Marketing, and as soon as you do, you'll be taken straight into the Campaigns area. This is where all of your existing email campaigns are listed, including past, current, and draft campaigns. Now, from your campaign list, find the specific campaign you want to duplicate. It might help to use the search bar or filters if you have a long list of campaigns, but you can also just scroll until you see the one you need. Once you've located it, look to the right-hand side of that campaign's row. You should see a More Options icon, usually represented by 3 dots or a similar symbol. Click on this More Options icon. A drop-down menu will appear, showing several actions you can take. From that list, select Duplicate. As soon as you click Duplicate, a pop-up window will appear on your screen. This pop-up lets you customize exactly what you want to carry over into the new duplicated campaign. In the pop-up, you'll see options like Sender, Recipients, Subject, Design, and additional settings. Next to each of these, there will be a checkbox. Simply tick the boxes for the elements you want to keep in the new version. For example, you might keep the same design and subject line, but change the recipients. Or you may want to keep everything the same and just send it again at a different time. Take a moment to decide what makes the most sense for your use case. Once you've selected what to keep, look to the bottom right corner of the pop-up and click the button labeled Duplicate Campaign. After you click this, the page will reload. When it finishes loading, you should now see a new campaign in your list, which is the duplicate of the original. From here, you can open it, make any final edits, and proceed as you would with any other campaign.